Hey guys, this is one more really quick video. I am sorry I did not get the Easter Basket mini album finished in time for Easter. I just let this slip my mind completely. I found my project half finished over here this morning and all of my little PDFs printed out, so I apologize. But we are going to finish it next week, so even though it's going to be after Easter, we can still enjoy it to put our grandbabies' pictures in, even if they have to be sent to us by Mama and Daddy and, whomever. We're not going to get to see them, so even if we have to put our pictures in after Easter, that will be fine with me. So if you want to take part in our Easter mini album, that video will be going up next week, probably Wednesday of next week, I want to say. I think that's when I have it in the schedule. Now, I did go ahead. I had some that asked, could I break the bow and the eggs out so that they could do those in different colors. So I did go ahead this morning and break those out. So all you have to do is trim around these, and you can do these in different colors if you want to. So this would be the front of your mini album. This would be the pages. And then, of course, you have the bow and the eggs. And I did also do the bow and the eggs in solid. I did them in solid purple, and then I did them just in an outline, whichever one is easiest for you. But you can go over and download these for free. That link will be directly below, and then we will get started on this next week. Now, I also had someone ask me what size this is going to be. Looks like it's almost 9 inches tall, and then it is about it's going to be about 6 3/4 inches wide. So it's going to be a nice mini album. We can use this to put our photos and things on. So it's going to have lots of room, and it's going to be very, very cute, I think. All right, so go over there and grab your PDF. Go ahead and print everything out, and you can go ahead and start cutting out your paper if you want to. I'm going to make my pages out of the thin chipboard that we have, that 0.22 that we have in our shop. That link is below too if you don't have any of that. And then I'm going to cut these out of some beautiful pattern paper, probably, to put them on the front here. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for being patient with me. I'm trying to get everything done and all the requests done as fast as I can, so I really appreciate your patience. Oh my gosh, I think I have smelt too many fumes this morning. I've been sanitizing and cleaning. My hands feel it already. I've got to put hand lotion on. But we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.